Unboxing video. This is a fantasy sword, so we're not sure. It's a mystery deal. Why would it have a battery, I wonder?
Not a battery.
Oh, okay. It's an actual knife. You want to unbox that?
I'm doing it now.
And show it for the camera, too.
God.
Need some assist?
Hmm?
Ooh. Nifty. You want to show the camera? Nice. You can take that on camping trips. Can I see the blade? Nice.
That's what it's for, too.
Hidden secret assassin dagger, right? I figured you'd like that. You know, wear it as a necklace.
It is a necklace.
I'm just saying, you can wear it as a necklace, but it's more of a blade. You needed to...
Ooh.
Ooh, let's see. Hold it up.
For next purchase.
Cool.
And there's the name of the...
Yeah. We're not sponsored by them, but
No.
I wouldn't mind it. Wonder what the fantasy sword is. This is a mystery fantasy sword collection.
Oh ho ho.
What is it?
This is a taper.
Awesome.
And not an ordinary taper either. Honey, say hello to a Zanpakuto. Real. Get the camera and zoom in on this.
Nice. Looks like there's two of them.
I think one's the sword and the other one is the actual taper, as they call it.
The dagger or some
Yeah.
sort? Yeah.
Yes, it is.
Nice.
And just like the other one.
Yep. That is awesome. I'm highly happy with the purchase, huh? Well, maybe we'll do more of these unboxing videos.